Gango Cloud Information Security Enforcer Online Training. Introduction to Gango Cloud Information Security Enforcer. Gango Cloud Information Security Enforcer is a security solution designed to enhance and streamline information security management for organizations. Here's an overview of its key features and capabilities. Key features: Policy enforcement. Gango Cloud provides tools to define, implement, and enforce security policies across various IT environments. This ensures that all security policies are consistently applied and adhered to. Compliance management. The platform helps organizations meet regulatory and industry compliance requirements by automating compliance processes and providing audit trails. Risk assessment. It offers capabilities for assessing and managing risks by identifying vulnerabilities and threats within the organization's IT infrastructure. Data protection. Gango Cloud focuses on protecting sensitive data through encryption, access controls, and monitoring to prevent unauthorized access or data breaches. Incident management. The solution includes features for detecting, responding to, and managing security incidents, helping organizations to quickly address and mitigate potential threats. Reporting and analytics provides detailed reporting and analytics on security events, policy compliance, and overall security posture, aiding in decision making and continuous improvement. Integration. Gango Cloud integrates with other security tools and IT systems, providing a unified approach to security management and enabling better coordination between different security measures. Benefits: Enhanced security posture. By enforcing policies and managing compliance, organizations can strengthen their overall security posture and reduce the risk of data breaches and other security incidents. Operational efficiency. Automating compliance and security processes reduces the administrative burden on IT teams and ensures that security measures are consistently applied. Regulatory compliance helps organizations stay compliant with various regulations and standards, minimizing the risk of legal penalties and reputational damage. Improved incident response streamlines the incident management process, allowing for faster detection, response, and recovery from security incidents. Key features of Gango Cloud Information Security Enforcer. Gango Cloud Information Security Enforcer offers several key features designed to enhance information security and compliance within organizations. Data loss prevention. DLP protects sensitive data from unauthorized access, sharing, or leakage by monitoring and controlling data movement across systems and applications. Access control and identity management manages user identities and access privileges, ensuring that only authorized individuals have access to specific resources based on their roles and responsibilities. Threat detection and response monitors network and system activities to identify and respond to potential security threats and breaches in real time. Compliance management assists in adhering to regulatory requirements and industry standards by providing tools and reports for compliance auditing and management. Incident management provides tools for logging, tracking, and managing security incidents, including automated workflows for response and resolution. Risk assessment helps in identifying, evaluating, and mitigating potential risks to information security by conducting regular assessments and vulnerability scans. Data encryption ensures data is encrypted both at rest and in transit, protecting it from unauthorized access and ensuring confidentiality. Security analytics offers advanced analytics and reporting capabilities to gain insights into security events, trends, and overall security posture. Policy management enables the creation, deployment, and enforcement of security policies across the organization to ensure consistent protection measures. Integration capabilities supports integration with other security tools and systems such as CM, security information and event management solutions to enhance overall security infrastructure. Implementing security policies with Ghango Cloud. Ghango Cloud is known for its robust approach to cloud security, especially for enterprises with complex security requirements. Implementing security policies with Ghango Cloud typically involves several steps to ensure comprehensive protection and compliance. Here's a high-level overview of how you might implement security policies using Ghango Cloud. 1. Define security requirements. Assessment. Start by assessing your organization's specific security needs and compliance requirements. Consider factors such as regulatory obligations, data sensitivity, and potential threats. Policy creation. Develop security policies that address these needs. Policies should cover aspects such as data encryption, access control, incident response, and more. 2. Configure security settings in Ghango Cloud. Access control. Set up role-based access controls (RBAC) to ensure that users have the appropriate level of access. Define roles and permissions based on the principle of least privilege. Encryption. Configure encryption settings for data at rest and in transit. Ensure that all sensitive data is protected using strong encryption algorithms. Network security. Implement network security policies, including firewall rules and virtual private network (VPN) configurations to protect against unauthorized access and attacks. 3. Integrate with existing systems. Identity and access management (IAM). Integrate Ghango Cloud with your existing IAM systems to streamline user management and ensure consistent enforcement of security policies. Security information and event management (CM). Connect Ghango Cloud to your CM solution for real-time monitoring and analysis of security events and alerts. 4. Monitor and respond. Real-time monitoring. Use Ghango Cloud's monitoring tools to keep an eye on system activity, detect anomalies, and ensure compliance with security policies. Incident response. Set up incident response procedures to quickly address any security incidents. Configure automated alerts and responses for common threats. 5. Review and update policies. Regular audits. Conduct regular security audits to ensure that your policies are being followed and are effective. Review and update policies as needed based on audit findings and changes in your security landscape. Continuous improvement. Stay informed about new security threats and vulnerabilities, and continuously improve your security policies and configurations. 6. Training and awareness. Employee training. Educate employees about security best practices and the importance of adhering to security policies. Regular training can help prevent human errors and enhance overall security. Integrating Ghango Cloud with existing security systems. Integrating Ghango Cloud with your existing security systems can help ensure a cohesive and secure IT environment. Here are some general steps to guide you through the integration process. Assess compatibility and requirements. Understand existing systems. Review your current security systems, including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDs, and security information and event management (CM) solutions. Ghango Cloud capabilities. Determine the specific security features and integration points offered by Ghango Cloud. Define integration objectives. Security goals. Identify what you aim to achieve with the integration, such as improved threat detection, centralized logging, or enhanced incident response. Integration scope. Decide which components of Ghango Cloud you want to integrate with your existing systems, example, data sources, security events, alerts. Plan integration architecture. Integration points. Determine how Ghango Cloud will interact with your existing security infrastructure. This could include APIs, data feeds, or direct integrations. Data flow. Map out how data will flow between Ghango Cloud and your security systems to ensure seamless integration. Implement integration. API integration. Use Ghango Cloud's APIs to connect with your existing systems. This may involve custom development or using pre-built connectors. Data feeds. Configure data feeds from Ghango Cloud to your CM or logging systems to aggregate and analyze security events. Policy alignment. Ensure that security policies and configurations in Ghango Cloud align with your existing systems. Test and validate. Testing. Conduct thorough testing to ensure that the integration works as expected. Validate that security events are correctly logged and that alerts are properly generated. Performance. Monitor the performance of integrated systems to ensure that there are no bottlenecks or issues affecting security operations. Monitor and maintain. Ongoing monitoring. Continuously monitor the integration to ensure that it remains functional and effective. Look for any anomalies or issues that may arise. Updates and patches. Keep both Ghango Cloud and your existing security systems updated with the latest patches and improvements. Documentation and training. Document integration. Maintain detailed documentation of the integration process, including configuration details and troubleshooting steps. Training. Train your security team on how to use and manage the integrated systems effectively. Ghango Cloud's approach to threat detection and response. Ghango Cloud is a cybersecurity company that specializes in providing advanced solutions for threat detection and response. Their approach is centered around the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, to enhance security operations, with a particular focus on preventing data breaches and safeguarding sensitive information. Key components of Ghango Cloud's approach. Data-centric security. Ghango Cloud emphasizes the protection of data at its core. Their solutions are designed to understand and classify data according to its sensitivity and importance. This data-centric approach ensures that critical information is identified and protected throughout its life cycle, from creation to deletion. AI-driven threat detection. The company employs sophisticated AI and ML algorithms to detect anomalies and potential threats. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data in real time, looking for patterns that indicate a security breach or a potential attack. By continuously learning from new data, the system improves its detection capabilities over time. Contextual intelligence. Gango Cloud solutions leverage contextual intelligence to enhance the accuracy of threat detection. This involves understanding the context in which data is accessed or shared, including the who, what, when, where, and how of data interactions. By incorporating context, the system can better distinguish between legitimate and malicious activities. Automated response and enforcement. Once a threat is detected, Gango Cloud systems can automatically enforce security policies and initiate response actions. This could include blocking access, quarantining files, or notifying security teams. The automation of these processes helps reduce response times and mitigate potential damage from threats. Policy-based control. Gango Cloud allows organizations to define and enforce security policies that govern how data is handled and protected. These policies can be tailored to meet specific regulatory requirements and organizational needs, ensuring that security measures align with business objectives. Integration with existing infrastructure. Gango Cloud solutions are designed to integrate seamlessly with an organization's existing IT infrastructure. This ensures that the security measures can be deployed without disrupting business operations and can work in tandem with other security tools and protocols already in place. Regulatory compliance. The platform also helps organizations maintain compliance with various regulatory standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, and others. By automating the enforcement of data protection policies and maintaining comprehensive audit logs, Gango Cloud assists in meeting the stringent requirements of data protection regulations. Benefits of Gango Cloud's approach. Proactive threat management. By detecting threats in real time and responding automatically, Gango Cloud helps prevent security incidents before they can cause significant damage. Reduced false positives. The use of contextual intelligence helps minimize false positives, ensuring that security teams are alerted only to genuine threats. Managing user access and permissions with Gango Cloud. Managing user access and permissions is a critical aspect of enterprise security, and Gango Cloud offers a robust platform for addressing these needs. Gango Cloud specializes in information security and compliance solutions, particularly focusing on data security governance and user access management. Key features of Gango Cloud for managing user access and permissions. Automated user access control. Role-based access control. RBAC. Gango Cloud implements RBAC to ensure users have access only to the resources necessary for their roles. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access and reduces the complexity of managing permissions. Attribute-based access control. ABAC. In addition to RBAC, Gango Cloud can also enforce ABAC, which considers user attributes, resource attributes, and environmental conditions to make access decisions. This provides a more granular level of access control. Dynamic policy enforcement. Real-time policy application. policies can be applied in real time based on changes in user roles, organizational structure, or compliance requirements. This ensures that access permissions are always up to date and reflect the current security posture. Compliance driven policies. The platform allows the creation of access policies that comply with various regulatory requirements, example GDPR, HIPAA. Ghango Cloud helps ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive information. User behavior analytics. Monitoring and anomaly detection. Ghango Cloud provides continuous monitoring of user activities to detect anomalous behavior that might indicate a security threat. This includes unusual access patterns, large data transfers, or attempts to access restricted information. Automated response. When an anomaly is detected, Ghango Cloud can automatically adjust user permissions or trigger alerts to prevent potential breaches. Data classification and protection. Sensitive data identification. Ghango Cloud uses advanced algorithms to classify data based on its sensitivity and criticality. Access controls are then applied according to the data classification, ensuring that sensitive data is protected. Encryption and masking. Sensitive data can be encrypted or masked to prevent unauthorized access, even if a user gains access to the data. Audit and reporting. Comprehensive logging. All access attempts and policy changes are logged, creating an audit trail that can be used for compliance reporting or forensic analysis. Customizable reports. Ghango Cloud provides customizable reports that can be used to demonstrate compliance with internal policies and external regulations. Scalability and integration. Integration with existing systems. Ghango Cloud can be integrated with existing identity management systems, such as Active Directory or LDAP, to streamline user management. Scalable architecture. The platform is designed to scale with the organization, supporting a large number of users and complex organizational structures without sacrificing performance. Implementation best practices. Define clear roles and policies. Start by clearly defining user roles and the corresponding access policies. Regularly review and update these roles as organizational needs evolve. Leverage automation. Use Ghango Cloud's automation capabilities to reduce manual intervention and minimize errors in permission assignments. Compliance and regulatory considerations for Ghango Cloud. Ghango Cloud, a company specializing in data security and governance, must navigate several compliance and regulatory considerations to ensure that its operations meet legal and industry standards. These considerations are vital for building trust with customers, avoiding legal penalties, and maintaining operational integrity. Here are the key areas of focus. 1. Data privacy regulations. General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). If Ghango Cloud operates in Europe or handles data of EU citizens, compliance with GDPR is mandatory. This includes ensuring data subjects' rights, data protection by design and default, and reporting data breaches within 72 hours. California Consumer Privacy Act (CCPA). If Ghango Cloud deals with personal data from California residents, it must comply with CCPA, which mandates transparency in data collection, the right to opt out of data sales, and strict data protection measures. Other regional regulations. Depending on the geographic regions Ghangor Cloud serves, compliance with other local privacy laws such as Brazil's LGPD, Canada's PIPEDA, or Australia's Privacy Act may be necessary. 2. Industry-specific regulations. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. If Ghangor Cloud handles protected health information, fee, it must comply with HIPAA requirements for data security, privacy, and breach notification. Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS for handling credit card information. Compliance with PCI DSS is critical, which involves maintaining secure networks, protecting cardholder data, and regularly monitoring and testing networks. Financial Services Regulations. For clients in the financial sector, Ghangor Cloud must ensure compliance with regulations like the Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, GLBA, or the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, SOX, which require strict controls over data integrity and privacy. 3. Data Security Standards. ISO IEC 27001. Adopting this standard demonstrates Ghangor Cloud's commitment to managing and protecting information assets systematically. NIST Cybersecurity Framework. Implementing NIST standards can help Ghangor Cloud in identifying, protecting, detecting, responding to, and recovering from cyber threats. FedRAMP. If providing cloud services to U.S. federal agencies, Ghangor Cloud must comply with FedRAMP, which ensures that cloud service providers have adequate security measures in place. 4. Data Sovereignty and Residency. Local data storage requirements. Many countries have laws requiring certain data to be stored within their borders. Ghangor Cloud must ensure that its cloud infrastructure or partnerships accommodate these requirements. Cross-border data transfers. Compliance with regulations like GDPR requires mechanisms such as standard contractual clauses, SCCs, or binding corporate rules, BCRs, for transferring data internationally. 5. Audit and reporting obligations. Regular audits. Ghangor Cloud should be prepared for regular audits by regulatory bodies, which may require maintaining detailed records of data processing activities, security measures, and incident responses. Incident reporting. In the event of a data breach or security incident, timely reporting to relevant authorities and affected individuals is crucial. The specifics of reporting obligations vary depending on the jurisdiction and type of data involved. 6. Intellectual property and licensing. Software licensing compliance. Ensuring that all software used by Ghangor Cloud complies with licensing agreements to avoid legal issues. Intellectual property rights. Protecting its own IP and respecting the IP rights of others, including open source software, is crucial. Best practices for configuring Ghangor Cloud Security Enforcer. Configuring the Ghangor Cloud Security Enforcer involves several best practices to ensure robust protection and seamless integration within an organization's existing security infrastructure. Below are key practices to consider. 1. Understand the architecture and capabilities. Review documentation. Thoroughly understand the product documentation, which includes deployment guides, configuration manuals, and user case studies. Identify use cases. Clearly define your security use cases, such as data loss prevention, DLP, identity and access management, or compliance monitoring, to tailor the configuration accordingly. 2. Pre-configuration preparation. System requirements ensure that the hardware, network, and software environments meet the prerequisites for deploying Ghango Cloud. User training. Train your IT and security teams on Ghango Cloud's features and functionalities. Familiarize them with the interface, alerts, and reporting tools. 3. Initial setup and integration. Secure installation. Follow the secure installation process, ensuring all components are deployed in a segmented and protected environment. Integrate with existing systems. Integrate Ghango Cloud with your CM, IAM, and DLP solutions. Leverage APIs for enhanced interoperability. Configure user access. Set up role-based access controls, RBAC, to limit user permissions and ensure that only authorized personnel can modify configurations or access sensitive data. 4. Policy configuration. Custom policies. Define and implement custom policies based on your organization's data protection and security requirements. This includes setting rules for data classification, access, and leakage prevention. Policy testing. Use a phased approach to test policies in a non-production environment before rolling them out. This helps in identifying and mitigating potential issues. Policy tuning. Regularly monitor and refine policies to reduce false positives and ensure they remain effective against evolving threats. 5. Monitoring and alerts. Real-time monitoring. Enable real-time monitoring and alerting for key security events. Ensure alerts are sent to the appropriate teams for rapid response. Automate responses. Where possible, automate responses to common security events, such as blocking unauthorized access attempts or quarantining sensitive data. 6. Data and privacy protection. Encryption. Ensure that all data processed by Ghango Cloud is encrypted both at rest and in transit. Data masking. Use data masking techniques to protect sensitive information within reports and logs. Compliance. Align your configurations with industry-specific compliance requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS. 7. Regular updates and patch management. Apply updates. Regularly update Ghango Cloud software to the latest versions to benefit from new features and security patches. Patch management. Implement a patch management strategy that includes scheduled updates and emergency patching for critical vulnerabilities. 8. Auditing and reporting. Audit logs. Enable detailed logging and audit trails for all significant actions and events. This is crucial for forensic investigations and compliance audits. Custom reports. Create custom reports that align with your security metrics and KPIs. Automate report generation and distribution to key stakeholders. Why choose ProExcellency Fort Ghango Cloud Information Security Enforcer online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Ghango Cloud Information Security Enforcer online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often employs industry experts with extensive experience in Ghango Cloud's technologies and information security. This ensures that the training is both practical and aligned with industry needs. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program typically covers all aspects of Ghango Cloud Information Security Enforcer, including installation, configuration, management, and best practices. This comprehensive approach ensures you gain in-depth knowledge. Hands-on learning. Pro Excellency is known for offering hands-on training experiences. This practical approach helps you apply the theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios, which is crucial for mastering the software. Flexible learning options. Their online training is designed to be flexible, allowing you to learn at your own pace. This is ideal for working professionals who need to balance their training with other responsibilities. Support and resources. Pro Excellency often provides additional learning resources such as study materials, recorded sessions, and access to a community of learners. This ongoing support can help you reinforce your learning and resolve any doubts. Certification preparation. If you are aiming for certification in Ghango Cloud Technologies, Pro Excellency's training is structured to prepare you for the certification exams, increasing your chances of success. Industry recognition. Pro Excellency has a good reputation in the training industry, and completing a course with them can add value to your resume, demonstrating to potential employers that you've been trained by a reputable provider. Customer testimonials. Positive feedback from past students often highlights the quality and effectiveness of their training programs, which can be a good indicator of what you can expect. Thank you.